Here she comes.
Here she goes.
There's no stopping her now. She's getting good at this.
Come here, Lark. Like you. Right here, Lark.
Lark.
Look. Hi. How you? How you, stinker? Hey, you. Hey, you. You're not going out. Come on. Yeah, you did it! Now it's time for me to eat my breakfast.
Good job. You did it. Yay.
Here you go, Lark.
What do you think you're doing?
I think she's going to the stairs.
You think she's going to the stairs?
Yeah, you can do it. You can stand there. Come on, you. Come on. Just breathe
What are
out.
you? Are you her coach? You coach Cora?
No. Like her coach.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a coach.
Mm-mm.
Because I'm a kitty cat.
Oh, you're a kitty cat?
Lark's a
Oh.
coach. And I'm a kitty cat.
Oh.
I'm in a coat. Hey! I got you! Come on. Watch how Cora gets up here. See? That's how you walk. See, you can walk. I just keep. Come on, you can do it. Yay!
Look at that little stinker.
Yeah. You can make it.
She says, now what? Whoop. Probably shouldn't let you practice this, huh? You fall once, you're not going to try again? What do you think?
I want a kiss from you, Mama.
There you go. Oh, thank you. Okay. No, honey, careful, please.
What is she doing?
She's going to try, I think, again to get up that step.
Yay!
Well, she's not there yet. Oh, boy. Well, sweetheart, you're going to fall right on your bottom. Oh, my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Look at her.
Good thing I was right here to catch you. Okay, no more steps.
Yeah.